Hi, this is Mark. This is Monday the 15th of April. This is the Euro-Yen trade from Friday. Now I left it in over the weekend. Don't often do that, but it had 50 pips locked in and I left the stop in its original position. So I'd left it breathing room of 100 pips. So if anything extraordinary happened over the weekend, think Israel and all what's gone on, at least it had the breathing room. Now it has moved up today 147 pips already, and the average is 106. It is at the whole number 164 at the moment. My overall target is up here at just below 165, but my concern now is it may well have run out of steam for the day. So as ever, I take partial profits and I'm going to move the stop to entry. I'm also going to show you a couple of other possible trade setups as well as this morning. So to take partial profits, if you right click on trade, make sure you haven't got one click trading on, click close. This was a full lot and I am going to take off now 0.75 and I am going to close that. So now we've just got the balance to run. So now where to place the stop? Well, if I was thinking this could go further, and it could of course, then I might be inclined to just move my stop to entry, because the first rule is we want to at least avoid a loss on the balance. But if I go down to a 4 hour and start looking for areas of consolidation, it struggled clearly at the 200. The 200 in the past has been major previous support and resistance. So I'm going to move the stop now to here, just below that 200 EMA. So I've now locked in another 60 pips on the balance. So we had the big moves on the yen, and this morning, that's been this morning, so the dollar yen has broken higher. That's done 101 pips, the average is 86, and it looks as though the dollar's going to keep going, because if you look at what's happening with the USD CAD, the USD is actually, the price is dropping, and the Swissy is going nowhere this morning as well. So that suggests strongly to me that this is a yen move rather than a dollar move, and with all that's been going on in Japan. So Euro yen I've just shown you. NZD yen, I would like to take this as well, as I have an order placed down here at 90.23. Looks optimistic at the moment, it's only a couple of days average range. You would be looking at a 30 pip stop this time for a potential 300 pips, or 1 to 10 possible game. Got to like that one. And other than that, Swissy and some of the others now, I'm kind of thinking a lot lower down than where they are. I will update you later today.